Hi all you campers out there, my name is Brett Yoder with Total Value RV right here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today I'll be showcasing the new Entegra 39T2. It's a 2020, starting with the front cap. Now Entegra is known for their insulation. Their front and rear caps going to have the R22 insulation. The roof will be R22, the floor R9, and the sidewalls R8. Okay, so you can actually put a candy bar up inside the front cap and it will not melt on you. You will have heated powered mirrors, which are chrome. Going down the coach here, you are going to have a key lock pad, which will unlock and lock your door. Of course, you have the entry door patio awning, and of course you have the long awning here. Now the sidewall here, it's going to be professionally painted by Sickens Automotive Paint, which underneath the seal coat, it'll have a 99-year curing rate. So which means if you happen to get a small scratch in it, you can easily buff it out. Next up, this is going to be on a K1 chassis, which will be the X Bridge chassis. And the cool thing about the Reatta is it will have a front independent suspension. No other brand does that, okay, in this price range. So that makes it nice, very smooth when you're going down the nasty roads of northern Indiana. So now your baggage compartments are just like the big boys, the 45 footers, the cornerstones. As you can see, it's all carpeted here, and whenever your furnace is running, your baggage door compartments are getting heated. Of course, you have the MORryde slide out tray, easy access. You can get it on both the passenger or the driver's side. Above this slide out tray will be your outdoor entertainment. It is going to be Insignia TV. It's not an off-brand. Okay, 35,000 BTU furnace. So when you add the 35,000 BTU furnace along with your 2 heat pumps and your 3 ACs, you're going to stay warm, especially in this cold weather that we have in Elkhart today. Next compartment here, more storage. Now this will have 2 chassis batteries along with 2 AGM in-house batteries. AGM, it's maintenance free. I believe the maximum capacity or maximum yearly capacity of that is 7 years. So it's a better battery than most. You will have a freshwater tank. The nice thing is that you can easily read it here, and you can fill it from both this side or your driver's side. 22.5-inch tires. Frameless windows. They are dual pane, folks. Okay, this is the closest 4-season motorhome as you can get. You also will have awnings over the windows. These are manual, but it'll come with a stick. Fiberglass roof as well. I forgot to add that in. Little storage behind your rear tire. Because this is a Spartan does a great job of organizing everything. You will have several battery disconnects on the inside, by your bedroom on the inside, your in-house or your chassis batteries here, and then your in-house battery shutoff is where the AGM is. But as you can see, you got plenty of clearance to change your dryer filters and several other filters here. Moving on back, of course, the front cap will have R22. Your rear cap's going to have R22 as well, so plenty of insulation there. This is a Cummins 360 horsepower engine. You'll have 800 pound of torque, so plenty of room to maneuver throughout the mountains. Also, if you come back here, you're actually going to have an air chuck for your, well, can't pull it off, but you'll actually have an air chuck, so you can, for whatever car if you're using a tow dolly, you'll have air brakes with that. Moving around your electronics, 50 amp power coach. Of course, you have a little sleeve here, so it makes it real nice. You can shut the door when the cord is out and lock it. You also have a 2,000 watt pure sine inverter, which is great because people that use CPAPs, you can use a CPAP whenever. You will have a 10-gallon hot water tank as well. You'll have a 10-gallon DEF tank. This will get you, I think, roughly around 2,000 to 3,000 miles. You got side markers here as well when you're going down the road. But here is here is the convenient part. One compartment holds your water. You see your water filter here, your extra shower. You have your gray and black tank flush here. But this is a macerator, so on your toilet inside there is a macerator. Reminds me of a garbage disposal for the toilet. But this is great because when you want to dump, it's easy access. Very, very clean. This is, I believe, 20 foot, and if you want to go longer, you can actually connect a hose to the end of this, and this will have enough power to pump it over the hill. And believe me, it will. Moving on back here, more compartment. This will have the option dirt devil vacuum system. That's where you access it here. And just like the other side, you can access your MORryde slide top or slide tray here. This is for your window awnings. 14.5 LP tank. And then you have your hydraulic leveling pump here. Easy access. You can override the system if you need to be. You have one side diesel fuel here, and then right behind here or below that is going to be all your exterior electronics. Also, if you want to get to your 8,000 pound or 8,000 watt generator, you just go ahead and pull that tab and the front will pop out. Okay, moving around the coach, the front cap, you're going to have a nice diamond shield, which is a 3M cover, so if you have a rock penetrate, it's going to disable that. And just like the big boys, the Cornerstones, you're going to have the same style front cap, headlights, LED lights, and then this is your easy access to get to your generator. It's not on a generator slide out because you can service the generator from the bottom up, not from the side anymore. Real quick, I want to point out, there's a couple of things that you can use to bring in your slide outs, bring in your awnings. This will have a high-plex wiring system, and you can quickly, it came from here, you can quickly grab this, and if you come out, I'm just pushing a button here for the awning in. You can bring your slide outs out. You can also download an app and control it by your phone, or you can control it by the screen inside. Here we're in the new 2020 Reatta 39T2. The slide outs are in, so this will demonstrate a good view of what it will look like going down the road. And as you can see, I can easily walk between the theater seat and the couch. I can watch TV. I can quickly get to the countertop and the dual sinks. People sitting here can have easy access to watch TV as well. You can get to your microwave. You can get to your pantry. You can get to the fridge. You can also get to the bathroom. And past the bathroom, you can get to your king-size bed to take a nice nap. That's for the passenger. I'm sitting here now in the cockpit of the 39T2 Reatta, and Spartan and Entegra does a great job doing or making what the drivers want to happen. When you drive this thing, they do not want your head to turn, so as you can see, your powered mirrors, heated as well, are directly in front of you, so you don't have to turn your head no matter what trying to look at your blind spot. You got side cameras, you have a backup camera as well. They use the same size windshield as the $750,000 Cornerstone does, and you have two day blinds, day shade and night shade blinds. Your passenger, of course, is right by the entry door. Now, when the rig is in gear, that passage door actually has an air locking system, so when you're driving down the road, you're not going to hear whistling. Also, which is exclusive to Total Value RV, you're not going to find it anywhere else in the country, right here, 96.6 miles. Now, usually we get diesels in with 50 miles, 60 miles, but Entegra does their own PDI system on every coach, and they actually take a test drive on every coach to make sure when it leaves a factory it is in perfect shape. And of course, the driver and passengers will have the day shade and the night shade here. And when we were on the outside, I made the comment about a candy bar. You know, people that own these things will probably do it, but if you're down south or out west in the heat, just go ahead and put a candy bar in here, and that candy bar will not melt just because of the insulation grade that they use for these. They do have flex steel seats. It's really important for both the driver to be comfortable and the passenger, and as you can see, the passenger is a similar width seat as the driver, and the passenger will have other controls beside. You'll have USBs, you'll have the day and night shade for the cockpit or the windshield as well, so makes it very, very convenient. Now going back into the coach, the floor, porcelain tile here. As you can see, there's absolutely no carpet on this coach at all. There is the new Infinity grade flooring, which are found on pontoon boats, so it's mildew resistant, water resistant, stain resistant. Very, very expensive, but the 39T3 or T2 is great because it's a bath and a half model. You have opposing seats, which is very, very popular floor plan. You have the theater seats here. You do have USBs in the seats, and then you have cup holders here, and then right across you will have a trifold bed, and then you'll have the TV that goes up and down. So if you don't want to watch TV, you want more sunlight, just go ahead and turn it down. But as you can see, the wood here, it's true hardwood. Do the knock test when you're out shopping. It is true hardwood. It's the same hardwood, again, that's found in the higher end Entegras. But as you can see, you got so much cabinetry here. This coach is equipped with the Winegard Traveler, so it's a true HD satellite dish. You got the Bluetooth, and then going back here, you'll have the kitchen cabinets, plenty of room to put plates and cups. You'll have the convection microwave, which is a name brand. It's Frigidaire. It's the same microwave you can purchase in a store. You have the Furrion induction stove top. Below that, you will have the sink covers, which are true solid surface. You'll have the trays for your microwave. Underneath the sink, plenty of room. It even has room for a wastebasket. You know, nowadays it's hard to find. What I like about this floor plan is right here. You have a countertop extension. You have drawers that are true pull-out drawers. So whatever you need in the kitchen, you have plenty of room. Right across from the kitchen is going to be the booth dinette. Going back into the master bedroom here, you do have two wood doors to separate the living room quarters with your master bedroom. But look at all the ample storage space you have on this. It's awesome. More closet space. I mean, more than what you can use. The nice thing is, they actually put a TV that powers up and down in your bedroom. So go ahead and pop your TV up. And of course, throughout the whole coach, you're going to have day and night shades as well. And notice, just like your outdoor TV, it's Insignia TVs throughout the coach. It's not off-brand. It's not one brand and the other brand. So it's very nice there. This will have a king-size bed. Here in the bedroom, master bedroom, you're going to have a true king-size bed. It is tilt view. Of course, you have two windows on both sides for cross ventilation. You have ample amount of storage here. I'm a pretty lengthy guy. My arms are long, and I can't even touch the back end here. You even have nightstands on both sides. Now this is pretty unique here. If you lift this blanket up, you actually have a little pad here that you can sit on, put your shirts on, or tie your shoes. Going back to the bathroom here, of course this toilet's going to be a macerator toilet. So as I said, on the outside, it's like a garbage disposal toilet. But you already have a towel rack here. Of course, you have the day shades and the night shades. It does come with a washer and dryer. Ample amount of storage space on your countertop here. This is still solid surface. They didn't cheap out on that. Below your sink, you have plenty of room. You can even put a little wastebasket there. More storage here. And look at that. Look at that. Got the vanity as well. And then you have a nice big, have a solid surface countertop in your kitchen sink or your. Now going to the bathroom here, you have a nice shower. It is a one-piece fiberglass. As you can tell, I'm 6 foot, weigh about 200 pounds. I can easily do a circle. I can easily wash myself. And above me is a nice skylight here, so it gives you added space, so it makes the shower look larger. Again, my name is Brett Yoder with Total Value RV right here in Elkhart, Indiana, hometown dealer for Entegra. If you want to get a hold of me, you can contact me by cell phone 574-849-4276 or email brett@totalvaluerv.com. Have a great afternoon. Thank you.